Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the origami fold for heavy rain. Okay, start with folding it in half like this, and unfold it and fold these two tips to the center like that, and this flap thing over here, and the last one behind, so it looks like that. Then fold all of these four corners to the center like this. And break it in half like this, and pull out these wings or something like that, and open it up like so. Make sure that you have flap thing here, and turn the legs over like so, so that flap thing is on the top, and fold it over and make sure this one comes over here, and pull this out, and you're done.